Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So today we're doing an unboxing, and this is the second time I have received this box, so I'm not sure on the price. I definitely will look that up and leave it down below for you guys, also with a link if you are interested in this box. And the box I'm talking about is the Glow Addict box. I don't believe I posted my first one that I got because I had like duplicate shades in there and it just was a mess. So I'm hoping that this one is not a mess. I have not watched anybody get their boxes, so I have no idea what's in here. So it's just as a big surprise to me as it will be to you guys. So if you want to see what's in here, let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. And like I said, I'm not sure how much this box is. I'm sorry. Like I said, this is only the second time I've received it, so I don't even know the statistics. Like, is it supposed to be 5 full-size items? I don't know any of that stuff. So we're going in here blindly. So when you open it up, that is what it looks like. And I don't think there is a card in this. I don't think there was last time either. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. This should be a pretty quick video, so I hope you'll stick around and check out what's in this box. So starting off, it looks like we have a brush cleaner, which actually these are really nice. This one has a little holder on the back of it, and I really like that. That way you can either hold it and do your brushes, or you can suction cup it to your sink. I think that is a brilliant idea to have that space in between so you can hold it, because a lot of times I will clean my brushes just like in my palm of my hand and with my other one, and it slips all over the place. This one gives you control of where you want to put it. I really like that. And it just says brush cleansing pad. That's a really good idea. I'm excited for that. As simple as this is, I'm excited for this. This will make cleaning my brushes a little bit easier for me. Second item in the box is something that I have already, so this will end up going into a future giveaway. It is an eyelash putter-oner, an eyelash, what is this called? Applicator, eyelash applicator. I have the same exact one, except for it doesn't say Eye Beauty. I got it from D-Star Lashes. I don't really use these. I just use my fingers and a regular pair of lashes. But nonetheless, this is a pretty cool item. It's metal, it's nice, and it has the little rubber thing to hold it down. So you can't get mad at that. Now, I can get mad if this box was over 30 bucks, but I don't think it is. I think it's like 20, 25, somewhere around there. But like I said, I'll leave that down below. Next item is a pair of lashes that are kind of really cute. The band is a little thick, so I don't know about that, but it's Flaunt Beauty. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that, but it is a pair of magnetic lashes. Let's see if I can get it out of here so you guys can actually see it. So if it's magnetic, did they give you, what's it say? With magnetic liner. Okay, so the liner must be in here. So let's see. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm definitely willing to give it a try. That's kind of cool. Flaunt Beauty magnetic liner. And then there are the lashes right there. They are beautiful. So definitely am excited that they gave you the liner as well. I guess they kind of would have to, because it is a magnetic one. Not everybody has that eyeliner. But it says vegan and cruelty-free, woman-owned, and it's Flaunt Beauty. So, okay. Does it have a... Okay, it does. Barbs. And I just threw it across the room. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Barbs, I guess. So there's that. Next item in the box is from Steve Laurent. And it is a lip oil. Ooh, I love some lip oils, you guys. And his brand, I think, is a little overpriced, but there are some nice things in here. It is in the shade Orchid. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Orchid. And, oh, it's pretty. You guys, the packaging is really nice. Definitely has a little bit of weight to it. Let's see if it has a smell. No, not really. And it doesn't feel, well, yeah, it's very sticky. I don't like sticky oils, but maybe I can get some use out of it. We'll see how it feels on the lips. I'm not going to put it on right now, obviously, because I already have gloss and lipstick on, but not a bad item. Okay, definitely shaping out to be a better box than it was last month. And it looks like we have one more item, and then the box is empty. And it looks to be a palette. So let's see. It is a palette. You can see from the back here. Obviously, it's a palette. An eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm wrong. It's a blush palette. Whoa, okay. So here are the shades, and it says Contour Series Powder. And Aesthetica is not a bad brand at all. What's this? It tells you how to contour. Oh, okay. So it comes with instructions, which is kind of cool. Most palettes do not. And then here is what it looks like. On the back, it has instructions on the back. That's crazy. Okay, you never normally see that. And then you even have instructions here. They want to make sure you're doing it right. And then, oh, and they're magnetic too. And here is the palette. You guys, I like everything about this. It is gluten-free and cruelty-free. Wow. You guys, this is really nice. And the mirror is a little mirror, but that's okay. And it says artistry exposed. So we're going to go ahead. Oh, it's soft too. Do some swatches. I did get, I believe it was their bronzer in a BoxyCharm. I haven't tried it yet, but wow, these are pretty. These will be great for highlighting shades too. Like to highlight underneath your eyes and stuff. So there's the 3 highlights. And then here we go with bronzers. Let me wipe that off. And then the last 2. I really like that they're magnetic palette. Really like that. And these are actually softer colors, so I don't know how inclusive this would be for women of color, so I don't really like that. I wish there were a little bit more darker shades in here because I did not do any kind of beauty quiz stating my skin tone. So boo to them on that. But here are the 3 highlight shades, and here are your 3 contour shades. They did skip a little bit, but I'm sure, yeah, see, once you blend it out, they will look really nice. I am kind of, like I said, really upset that it's not inclusive because a woman of color would not get any use out of any of this. So, but I will give this a shot. I do like that it is, like I said, a magnetic palette, and you can pop these right out and put them in any palette that you want, which I really like that. That's a great idea. But where's your color variety, Aesthetica? All right, so let's recap the box. I thought this was a really good box. I'm interested to see what I paid for this because I did pay for this. They did not send it to me. So we have the Aesthetica Contour Series Powder. We have the magnetic lashes. Oh, and that makes sense why this is here. Duh. We have the lash holder, or the lash applicator, and a nice lip oil, a nice sticky lip oil. And this thing I am super excited about. Like, you have no idea how excited I am about this because I have to clean all my brushes, and this makes it so much easier. So, what do you guys think? I think it was a pretty good box, you guys. I don't think it's bad at all. Just don't like the color range in that. But that's not the Glow Addicts' fault. That's Aesthetica's fault. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Do you get this box? Is it the same items for everybody? I'm kind of curious. I don't know if it's like a mystery box like Bijou where it's like they get different products, or if this is pretty much the same for everybody. But anyway, thank you so much for being here, you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave me a comment because it helps me out truly. And that's it. Have a fantastic day, you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.